If you don't start doing video content on LinkedIn now, you are going to get left behind. And I do not say this to try to scare you. I say this because I have seen this scenario play out before, and history always repeats itself. When I started making content on Instagram in 2020, carousels were the rage. Everybody was obsessed with them. There was even this unspoken carousel community where they would support each other with comments and likes and shares and whatnot. Then Reels came out and video completely took over. And all those carousel creators, they had two choices: either adapt or get left behind. The same thing is happening right now on LinkedIn. If you think it's a coincidence that the day after LinkedIn launched this new feed, the biggest creator on the platform, Justin Welsh, dropped his first video, it's definitely not. He is adapting and you need to adapt also. So here's how it goes. You essentially have three options. Number one is to ignore a video and just wait and see how this whole thing is going to play out. Number two is to learn how to do it all on your own. And number three is to get help from a professional to make your LinkedIn video content. And if you're feeling number three, I am 100% confident that not only am I the easiest option, but I am also the best person to do the job. Over the last year, I have helped over 100 people and companies make video content specifically designed for LinkedIn. And that includes some of the biggest names on this platform: Richard Vanderblom, Leah Turner, Luke Matthews, Matt Barker, Luke Shalom, Ryan Musselman, Mondo Salavanti, Ken Yarmish. There's so many I can't even name them all. Now, every single one of these clients is capable of doing video on their own, but they choose to work with me. And it's because the process is faster, it's easier, and the final product is pretty dope. So if you are ready to start making authentic videos that grow your brand and attract your ideal clients on LinkedIn, holler at your boy, DM me the word easy, and I'll reach out to you. And make sure you do it soon because my calendar is filling up. See ya.